In this video we are knowing about how named functions can save time and make your formulas much easier to read. A named function lets you take a formula you use often and turn it into a reusable custom function with your own clear name. That means instead of rewriting a long expression every time, you can call it with simple inputs. To begin, first test the formula directly in the sheet so you can confirm that it works as expected. Click into cell E2 and type the formula equals B2 times C2 times open parenthesis. 1 plus D2 close parenthesis, then press enter if needed. This formula multiplies the number of units by the cost per unit. Then applies the tax rate by multiplying the result by 1 plus the tax value. Testing the formula first is a good habit because it helps you verify the logic before turning it into a named function. Once you know the formula works, right-click on cell E2 and choose View More Cell Actions. Then select Define Named Function. If you don't see that option, you can also open the Data menu and choose Named Functions from there. Either path takes you to the same setup area. Now click Add New Function and enter the function details. For the function name, type calculate_total. In the description field, enter a short explanation that says it calculates the final cost including units, unit cost, and tax rate. This description is helpful because it gives you or anyone else using the sheet a quick reminder of what the function does. Next, add 3 argument placeholders named units, cost, and tax. These placeholders represent the values the function will use each time it runs. In the formula definition box, enter equals units times cost times open parenthesis. 1 plus tax close parenthesis. This mirrors the test formula you already confirmed, but now it uses readable variable names instead of cell references. Click Next, then add argument descriptions or examples if you want. This part is optional, but it can make the function even easier to understand later. When you are ready, click Create. To use the new named function, go to an empty cell such as F2. Type equals calculate_total open parenthesis. B2, C2, D2, close parenthesis. Then press enter. The sheet will return the calculated total for that row. And that's it. You've created a named function and used it just like a built-in formula, making your spreadsheet cleaner, clearer, and easier to maintain.